Welcome to the cookie decorating workshop. We're going to start out with butter or margarine, and if you do use margarine and you're in Israel, this is the one that is really the best one to use. The others kind of taste like plastic. You're going to now add sugar to that butter or margarine, and you're going to whip it up nicely. It'll take several minutes. You want it to have a nice cohesiveness to it. And at this point, this is the best time to really add the flavorings. You could just add vanilla if you want. You could also add lemon. It's all a matter of taste, and I'm going to send you recipes with all different variations. Now, there's really only one egg in the entire recipe, so it's really not too bad, and we're going to mix that together. And now we're going to start adding the dry ingredients. Now again, if you add the dry ingredients all in one shot, unfortunately it's going to go all over yourself in the kitchen. So just add a little bit at a time, and slowly, because there's not much liquid in there. Really the only liquid is pretty much the egg. So you're going to slowly add the flour to it until it comes together into like almost like a big ball. And now, before we put it away, I like to separate it. It kind of comes together in one big ball, as you can see. But I like to separate it into already push it down a little bit so that when you're ready to, first of all, it'll cool down quicker. It won't be as warm, and if butter gets warm, it gets very mushy. So it's going to cool down quickly. And in addition, you won't have to roll it out quite as much when you're ready to make your cookies, and you will not overwork the dough. So that's it. I put into a few little plastics, and we're ready to go.